Today we got a video from Detective Liddy, and the title of the video is When Your Flight Gets Rebooked But You Decide to Get Arrested at the Airport.
On June 23, 2025, cops were called to Tampa International Airport when the staff from American Airlines, that's right, American Airlines, not Spirit or Frontier, requested assistance from the cops over an intoxicated female who was causing a disturbance in Airside F, Gate 79. The officer was advised that she was denied boarding, but rebooked for a flight to LaGuardia Airport the next morning. These are the events that unfold.
Intoxicated, doesn't understand, won't leave the lounge, keeps continuing to board.
Go for it.
She's booked for tomorrow.
Booked for tomorrow? I have work at 10 a.m. No problem. I'm not drunk, and I can walk a straight line, so go for it. Go for it. Come on.
Listen, when they just say you can't take a flight.
No, but she said that. No, I get that, but I have work. Look, I'm not drunk. I sat at the bar sitting here waiting.
Okay.
I didn't argue with nobody. I didn't go.
What time tomorrow?
She's on 11:51 A.
11:51 a.m.
Yeah.
Can't go.
All right, so no. If
we can try to get you rebooked.
No, but if you personally, and I could call my dad, that's a cop officer, he would say walk a straight line. If I can't walk a straight line, that's okay.
That's not what we do. But if they make that determination that you can't fly, you can't fly. It's that simple.
But I didn't break that rule.
It has nothing to do with us, is what he's trying to say.
Which is fine.
That's just the airline.
There's nothing that we can do to change their opinion.
Yeah, I get that, but I'm not intoxicated.
They're a private business, and they can deny you boarding for anything. So what I'm saying is that has nothing to do with us. We don't do anything
okay,
to
so
allow you to go home.
Guaranteed, because I'm about to sue them. I'm letting you know that now, because I got the money for it. So you letting me know they're denying the flight from me not arguing. I didn't do a breathalyzer. I didn't argue with nobody. All I did was walk past that, and they denied me. So you're telling me
that you're not flying tonight?
Yes, and that's
that you're
fine.
Flying tomorrow morning.
And
they rebooked you for tomorrow morning.
You know what I'm saying? I don't work 9 to 5. So as long as I know that I paid twice, and they did.
No, you didn't pay twice. They just rebooked you.
No, I did pay twice. I booked Friday and I booked today. And they didn't allow me. I'm not drunk. I can literally walk a straight line.
Well, since you got rebooked, you can't hang out here.
No, I hear you.
So we have to go to the main terminal.
No, I get what you're saying. I'm not flying home to New York. That's fine. But what I'm saying is, I'm getting it back. Because that was crazy.
So we're gonna walk you over so you could go to the main terminal.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's what the lady was saying. I can get the new boarding pass number.
I'm not getting on the flight, so I'm not walking that.
Well, that's your bag.
That's fine. I get you, but I'm not walking on that. So that's fine. Come on.
Okay, well, grab your bag.
That's fine. I love that for me.
Ma'am, grab your bag.
I'm not getting on the flight.
All right.
So it don't mean that.
Listen.
I hear you. I hear you.
She's definitely drunk.
No, because now
or under the influence of something.
$500 to get on the flight.
Well, that has nothing to do with
it.
It does. No, it doesn't. We don't work for the airline.
And she just decided to be ignorant. So no,
well, they rebooked you for tomorrow.
It doesn't matter. I got work at 10 a.m. and I'm not drunk and I'm not intoxicated. So I'm not pulling that. Respectfully.
All right. Well, then it's just going to get sent to our lost and found then.
That's fine.
All right.
That's fine. I'm here for it. You didn't want to take me on a flight, and that's fine.
That has nothing to do with
us. And I understand that.
Obviously, you don't, because you keep saying it.
No, because the fact that I sat here since 5 p.m., and the fact that y'all let me sat there, and you let this lady sat here and close my flight that I can't get on, yes, now I have a problem. Yes, I do. I didn't have a problem before, but now I do. I didn't move from that bar to walking to right here until they got on. So now I do have a problem. That's why I'm mad. It wasn't, but before she checked me in, she said, "Oh no, you're drunk." No, I'm not. I'm sitting here sober. I'm saying
you can be mad at them, but don't be mad at us.
I'm not mad at you, baby. Baby, listen, baby. I can sit home sober. I don't give a fuck. But what I'm mad at is the fact that I sat here for 2 hours and she didn't allow me to get on the flight.
You can make the complaints
You can make a dispute.
Yes, but I still, my siblings still paid for the flight that I couldn't get on. So that's what I'm at. It doesn't matter what the simple fact is, because I'm not on that flight to get me to New York at 10 a.m. It does not matter what you're saying.
You're gonna stop screaming.
No, it doesn't matter what I'm screaming. Because now the simple fact, listen, I paid a flight. Right, listen, I'm not arguing with you. Now I'm talking to my parents. Daddy, they're not letting me get on a flight because the simple fact I don't have a real ID. And before I turn it up on these motherfuckers, you better come get me. Straight like that. Straight like that. It ain't because I don't have an ID. These bitches is the white motherfuckers and they not letting me cross the border.
Hold on. They're not letting you on. It's not like they're not letting you on for no reason. You're not getting on because of an ID? Because you don't got a valid ID? Well, that can't be the case because they check that before you even make it to that point. But anyways, she's definitely under the influence of something. She was probably at the bar drinking. They could watch you. The bar is right next to the thing, and you were probably, making an ass out of yourself. That's how this whole thing came about. Yeah, you're gonna be late for work, but it's better than spending the night in jail. Just step off. But when people are intoxicated, you cannot talk to them. Now, for those of you that are new, whatever, this ain't for you. But for those of you that watch me, that have been watching me, let me know, how do you like this look? Like the darker look. You know what I'm saying? Like it's darker, got the light with the shadow. Like, you know what I'm saying? Trying to switch it up versus like if I put the big light on, it's all, you know what I mean? Like, but I'm trying to, get it a little bit more cozy. You know what I'm saying? So please let me know. I need your feedback. But anyway, let's get back to the video.
Go ahead, take it, Papa.
I'm not taking it. It's your bag.
Yes, you're fiending. No, I do have to do that because you're fiending like I'm an animal, and I don't have no Mary Jane, and I don't have none of that. So now
You speak just like a New Yorker, man. You can tell this is a New York chick.
Because now you're on some bullshit. I said what I said.
146
and
copy.
I said what I said, and I don't guarantee it. I don't have no weed. I'm not drunk. I'm not intoxicated. So, yeah, I'm gonna act a fool. All right, it doesn't matter. Respectfully. And it doesn't matter because you know what? I got work at 9 a.m. in New York City. So come on, Papa.
Make progress.
Come on, Papa. Let's go. And I promise you, my dead son gonna end all your careers. I promise you. My dead son is gonna end your career. And y'all gonna wish y'all ain't never do this. I promise you. I left my flag. It's up to y'all. It's up. And that's the thing about me. I'm a bitch with a dead son. So I'm gonna sue all y'all. I love that for me. Yeah. Yep. So because I'm so intoxicated, I can't walk in a straight line. Y'all wanna treat me like a black bitch? I'm gonna show you. I ain't even about to argue. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get that license plate. I'm gonna show you. Feel like that.
What license
Like
plate?
that. I love that for me. I'm the broke bitch.
Go to the left here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes. I love it. Since the bitch from New York don't got it, I love it. You wanna treat me like an animal? I got it. I got it. I love that. Because the dead son that died from sins will end your career. I promise you I'm going to end your career. I promise you. So, that black bitch, yep.
Let her talk it off.
No, this way.
That's fine. Yep, we going to go, Papa. We going to go. Come on, Papa. You want to act like a savage in my dead son? We going to show you.
Nope.
We gonna show you. Me and my dad was gonna show you. I just love the act of food.
Control 146.
I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Y'all got me geeked up. I got work at 10 a.m. in New York City. Just saying I'm drunk is crazy. My set is done 2 days ago. You bugging, Papa. My son
You got
died-
somebody coming to pick you up?
No, I'm driving home. My son died 2 days ago.
So you
and
drove
wanna
here?
treat me like an animal? I live in New York. And you want to treat me like this? The business bro gonna fuck y'all up.
So where you going now?
New York.
You're not going to New York right now.
How much you want to bet I'm going?
Not
How
right
much you
now.
wanna bet?
What, you driving there?
The deceased mother that's going through what she's going through, and I'm not drunk. I drank 2 margaritas.
All
And
right,
I
I'm not saying you are drunk.
I just want you to understand. Just think about it. The mother that just lost her child 2 days ago, and she's explaining to you that she's not drunk. I could walk a straight line, and I still made sure I didn't board. Better than birds are going to take care of you. I'm not going to argue.
So where you going now?
Take me where.
Well, I got the operations manager coming to talk to you.
Right, go for it. Come on.
So we're just going to hang out right here.
Yeah. I
They're
love
right there.
that. I love it. Come on. I love that. My son died yesterday. You fucking bugging.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Your child lives today, tomorrow. I'm not drinking. That was the first drink I ever had in 3 years. My child died. You're
I'm sorry to
bugging, and
hear
you
that.
made me miss my flight.
No, I didn't make
yes,
you miss
you
your
did.
flight.
This one right here did. And I promise you, on everything I love, your child gonna feel that pain that I felt. Because I lost my child off of SIDS, bro. And you stopped my flight. So I promise you, all the hell that it is that I dealt with right now.
Yo. I feel for her a little bit, you know, if this is all true, you know, losing a child and everything, she's not in the right mental state, you know what I'm saying? But she got to watch what she say, because it definitely could get you locked up with the threats and all of that. Oh, your son gonna feel the same pain that I felt and yada yada. Like, yo, be easy. But I don't know why they holding her, because honestly, if she already got her ticket for tomorrow and everything, if I was the cops, I would just be wanting to get her off the property as soon as possible. Like, you know, all of that prolonging her here, yeah, the property manager gonna talk to you or whatever, whoever is talking. It's like, why? Like, if they already rebooked, they got it scheduled, she should just be good to go, like, to leave instead of holding her there, because it's gonna, I feel like the back and forth is gonna end up escalating.
Bro, you about to get it. You about to get it. I promise you about to get it. And that shit hurt. Because I got work. I gotta work 9 to 5, bro. And you stopped my flight.
Nobody
So,
stopped your
yes,
flight.
you
We didn't
did.
stop
Because
your
you said
flight.
I was too drunk. And you did. And it's fine. I'm going to do a breathalyzer and you're going to see. But it really hurts from a woman. It really hurts from a woman. From the day and age that's not even 30. And if she is 30,
You're gonna keep yelling like that?
no,
They're not
because
gonna
it hurts.
stay here.
I just lost my child 2 days ago, and you
sorry to
literally
hear that.
told me I couldn't get on the flight. So you gonna see?
here
I hear you, sweetheart. I'm not
American
drunk.
Airlines said you couldn't board.
Yes, you did.
American Airlines. I'm not
And that's
American
fine, and I respectfully hear you. And what I'm
I
saying
don't
to
think-
you
I don't
as a
think you
woman,
are hearing
what
me.
I'm saying, I'm not mad at you. What I'm saying to you as a woman, you stopped me from getting on a flight that I'm not drunk on.
You're not listening to us.
Because we didn't say
I'm
you
not
could go.
mad at you.
American Airlines said you
Baby,
could go.
I don't think you understand what I'm saying. I hear you. I'm not mad at you. When whoever comes to get me and ID me,
I'm not sure.
baby, what I'm saying is that I'm not mad at you. What I'm mad at is the fact that I can't get on my airlines to go to a 9 to 5 that I'm paying for.
I
My son
understand that.
died 2 days ago, and you're not letting me allow to go on the plane. My son died. I can't bury him no more because you already making me late to my flight where I gotta
listen.
bury my son. Ain't listen nothing. Because no, I'm mad because I can't bury my son. It doesn't matter what you're saying.
understand that
Bring
you're upset, but you
911.
gotta
It doesn't
control
matter,
your
bro.
volume.
My
You're
died.
not
My
allowed.
brother, my son died from the motherfucking.
listen.
No, Now you started me because now I missed my
They're not
flight.
gonna let you stay
My
there if they're
son
okay.
died. Listen, my son died from fucking breathing, bitch.
Okay, you
So
don't.
no, because you delayed me.
We're not
No,
gonna do this.
no, we're not gonna do this because you brought me to this. Because you stopped me from getting on my airline as a human civilian, as a black woman. You stopped me from that because whatever the airline was. Now let me let you know something. I'm not arguing with anybody here. Let me let you know something. I'm not drunk. My son died from stage, from breathing, and I'm not mad.
All right. That's enough.
That's fine. That's fine.
That's enough.
That's fine. Go ahead, take it. Go ahead, take it, Papa. I'm not mad. I'm just telling you my son died.
We
from
gave
stage,
you a chance.
and you can't take it. Take it. Go ahead. Just let you know. Record this. Record this because the mother that was a kid. I'm not arguing.
You just get her out of here?
Blue departure.
Yeah.
Go for it. Go for it. I'm not mad at it. Come on, Papa.
Yeah, but she would have been gone if y'all would have just let her leave. Y'all making her stay there to talk to somebody.
Here, you want to get that ticket?
I'll go in.
Let me go see if they're gonna.
Let's go play.
I'm gonna bring you.
Okay. Anything else, Shay?
All right, let me go see if they want her trespass. Would you like her trespassed? I mean, she's getting arrested for disorderly, but do you want her trespassed as well?
So we should? Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I got your side. All right. Sounds good.
I might have one.
I just want you to know. I just hope all y'all kids die like mine did. Respectfully. Now that's the type of misery I'm in. And I love that because my son dead. So I don't give a f. But y'all want to arrest me? It is what it is. But I tell you, that Better Business Bureau got you. I'm gonna violate y'all. My son dead. Y'all got me f***ed up. Y'all niggas is f***ed up. My son dead.
We're at door 223.
So here first.
You seem fun.
It is. It's very fun. They're drilling in. I'm gonna
make sure I pat her down.
You gonna what?
No, I ain't even gonna say nothing. Go ahead, arrest me. Go ahead, arrest me.
Pretty sure you are under
But when
arrest.
I dead son. No, mama. No, mama.
You don't need to face it.
No, mama. I'm cool. Go ahead.
Oh wow, what kind of frisk is
Just
this?
letting you make sure I don't have no weapons, so I don't want you to think.
Thank you.
That's all. It wasn't to be sexual or none of that. You want to mix me up with animals?
It's not locked. Got air back there? You want me to roll the window down or do you?
Sir, it doesn't even matter. My son died just 2 days ago.
I'm sorry.
It doesn't even matter. They treated me like an animal, and it is what it is. Take me to the precinct so I can call my dad.
So she was charged with 1 count of disturbing the peace, and she was issued a trespass from the airport valid for 1 year. But that's about it for today. So if you enjoyed that video, leave.
Yeah, good job, man. Good job, Detective Liddy, man. All right. It sounds like this is a real person behind it. I can hear the real voice, so it's not no animation or not animation. What they call that? AI and all of that stuff, like most of the channels. So, man, salute to this dude, man. Run it up, man. You feel me? Detective Liddy. All right. I'm fucking with it. But anyway, yeah, she's just going through a lot of pain, man. She's going through a lot of pain. But the cops handled it the best way they could. You know what I'm saying? I don't understand the whole point of not letting her just leave and making her stay there to wait to talk to somebody. That's the only part that I really don't understand. But I get the cops a 3 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? They did all right. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.